Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a good weekend and a good Mother's Day. Rained pretty much here all day yesterday. As far as the markets are concerned, we've got corn up a little bit, wheat and soybean prices unchanged, outside market stocks and crude are lower, and the dollar is a little bit higher. I think the markets are waiting to see the results of the slow reopening of economies worldwide and the impact it might have on GDP growth in the economies as the virus continues to spread. In the grains, we've got a USDA report tomorrow, and most people think that they might add a little bit to the 2019 and 20 carryouts for corn, beans, and wheat due to lower export demand, and for corn, lower domestic demand, especially on the ethanol side. They've come out with the first 2021 numbers, and they expect to show continued increase in corn carryout, and that the beans and wheat might actually be a little bit lower. The key there is for beans, the demand, and for wheat, the size of the U.S. crop. Market will also be hoping that China will come in and start buying more U.S. ag goods. Last week we rallied a little bit on the fact that talks reopened between U.S. and China on the Phase 1 deal. 2 weeks forecast looks pretty favorable for most of the U.S. with temperatures warming up and looking for mostly normal rainfall. The same in Europe and the Black Sea, although there is quite a bit of difference between maps as far as Black Sea precip over the next week to 10 days. One map show a little bit less than normal rains, the other maps show normal rains. Over the weekend, we had some pretty cold temperatures across most of the northern plains, Midwest, and into the Ohio River Valley. For the most part, I think the corn and bean crop is not far enough along to cause any widespread damage. There may have to be some replanting in some areas. And most people think that the soft wheat crop did not see a lot of damage. But again, that's something that will take a couple weeks to find out. There's still plenty of wheat in the world as the USDA continues to forecast record world stocks. So kind of a mixed trade, a little caution going on as we try to reopen the economies. And we hope that science will eventually find an end to this virus. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.